Hi, my name is Zachary. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about non-phone work at home jobs. I know how important it is for many of you to have a job that does require you to pick a phone and talk to strangers. So in this video, I've collected the best options for non-phone work at home jobs. Great news, they are not only non-phone, but they also can be done remotely from the comfort of your own home. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video, because every time you do so, guys, that helps me to deliver these vital information to people who might be in need of it. This information can change the life of so many people. So do the right thing today. Like the video and subscribe. The first option for me of such kind of work is to become a digital marketer. I'm a fan of this niche. For 8 years already, I have my marketing and sales agency. We help online educators to do digital marketing and sales, so I know what I'm talking about. Digital marketing is constantly on the rise. It cannot be fully substituted by AI, but it can be significantly simplified by integration of AI tools. So that's a good news. This niche still demands a lot of human resources, but on the other side, it has become easier to do a lot of work with the help of AI. What does digital marketers do specifically? There are at least 5-6 jobs in a digital marketing niche. So you can become a social media manager. This is when you help businesses or influencers to promote their blogs on such social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and so on. You can become an ads expert, Facebook ads, Google ads, Twitter. You can learn the skills on how to provide a good service on advertisement campaigns, and they really make a lot of money. On my channel, I have a great video, top 5 services for digital marketers, which are in a high demand and well paid. I will leave the link for you. Don't forget to watch it. The other non-phone job within a digital marketing niche is funnel design. Funnel design is one of my best services that I really love to provide to the clients because it is really well paid. I explained it in the video that I've just mentioned. I encourage you to watch it if you're looking for non-phone jobs. What do those people specifically do? Have you ever been to a free masterclass, or maybe sometime in the past you've downloaded a free guide, free ebook, something valuable but for free? That is a segment, a small element of the funnel. The funnel is a marketing tool that helps the business to push the customer to the decision point to buy the product. We call it a funnel, just like that. The next option for well-paid non-phone work at home job is to become a web designer. What do they do? Every piece of design you can find online that is about web design. Something like design for the landings, websites, design for the social media, posts, guides, ebooks, and all that stuff. Design for the presentations, slide groups. These things require a web designer. I like this niche because it's quite easy. There are so many tools nowadays where you do not need even to have artistic skills. If you think that, oh, I don't have that artistic vision, I'm not really good on that, I was not born with a specific skills, this is not how you should think about the niche of a web design. Nowadays, there are so many useful tools, which doesn't require from you a specific skills. All what you need to do is just to find a proper training on web design. And actually, that's it. They will teach you on how to do your job following the specific template. That's all what you need. How much you can make as a web designer, that depends on amount of clients and what type of job you will specifically do. In my company, we have 4 web designers just because each of them gets on average about $2,000, but we have a big load of work. In spite of that fact, I'm not the only client that they have. They will have at least 2-3 more clients besides me. So you definitely need to consider these non-phone work at home job if you want to make a good money. Option number 4 for non-phone work at home job is to become a no-code developer. What is that? No-code developers, it's a relatively new stream in IT segment. This job doesn't require from you the knowledge of any specific programming languages. All what you need to do, just find a proper training at which you will learn how to utilize ready-to-use blocks and tools and segments for building apps for the phones, websites, and some other similar things. This is a good option to be well paid, to work from the comfort of your home, and it's a non-phone job. Let me know in comments below which one of the options might work best for you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and see you next time.